Hello and welcome to the Syllabus Review for Characteristics of Students with Mild to Moderate Disabilities, SPED 6602. This is a hybrid course. When we do meet, it will be in room 210 West. Be on lookout for specific dates for us to meet. So, here in your syllabus, you have my information as well as the course description. Do take a moment to review this information and note that the textbook is listed as well as that we do use the 7th edition of the APA manual. It will be important for you to familiarize yourself with the not only format of references and title page and setting up your text, but also the stylistic guide and expectations for writing for clarity. You can see the Piedmont Exceptional Child Education and Special Education learning outcomes here in every syllabus. And after that, specific outcomes for that specific course. I urge you to take a moment to look through those. Since we will be spending a lot of time on Canvas as the learning management system in this format, I would like for you to look at the distance learning minimum technology requirements for this type of course. I would suggest that for this course at least have a webcam, microphone, and a scanner so that you can communicate virtually. Now, the Piedmont College has a standard established grading scale, and I have provided you with how the different activities in this course will weigh on your final grade. This is set up in Canvas, and in Canvas you can see your grade as it progresses through the course. It is important that you have regular participation in this course. I suggest you check in at least 3 times a week. It is not advised to wait to the last minute to complete a module because it potentially could take up to 10 hours to complete. And along with that, with the weekly discussions, you are graded on how punctual you are with your discussion. So if you wait to the last minute, you will lose points. Why? Because it's a requirement to reply to peers, and you can't really engage in the discussion if people have opportunity to read your post. So we need to make sure that we are spending time in the course, engaging socially, and keeping up with the course. You can read about some of the expectations, particularly with an online or hybrid course. And there is a description, a brief description of your assignments in the syllabus. Now, there will be greater detail in Canvas, but you can see a brief description in most rubrics and grading schemes here in the syllabus. So it's a good quick reference for you. This right here is a great way for you to learn, as you learn the APA 7th edition. You can get feedback if you're putting your paper or running your ideas through the academic writer, which you have a subscription provided for you through Piedmont College login credentials. So check that out. Here are the activities, like I said, and then here isn't just a basic outline of the course as a quick reference. Finally, you have some rubrics for different assignments that you can check out. So, if you will, join me over here in Canvas and I'll point out a few items. Here we have the Canvas platform. This is not the student view. Let's see, student view will look a little more like this. Let's start with the welcome module. So that's going to be a prerequisite for you to really get into it. Go ahead and get in there, learn about how Canvas works, how the class is going to work, and start that way. And then down here you have quick links to each week of the module. You can see here you must complete some items in that Start Here module in order to get to the first week work. I'm going to leave this here. Okay, so then when you have each module, it's basically set up the same. It's set up with an introduction page that gives you information about the week's work. Then you have the actual content, sometimes a warm-up, then some information with handouts to download, and supplementals. Then there's a discussion. So you click on the discussion, you'll read the information regarding the discussion, the prompt. You click reply and type in what you want to say. Some features include being able to change the formatting of your text, color. You can add different headings for the format. You can upload your YouTube video here. You just type the embed code, or you can just cut and paste the link to YouTube in here. Or if you want to record a video, you can click this button and you can record or upload a video. So if you're going to select a video file, perhaps you have created a presentation and you have it saved as a file, movie file, you can click here and find it in your hard drive and then attach it to the discussion. That will come up later. So hopefully you took notes. After everyone is submitted, you can go back and read through people's posts and reply. Okay, and then there's a wrap up each week that has a link to the quiz and perhaps some information. Okay, if you click on grades, it will show you your grade. You may have an ask questions here forum and class course announcements, which I use both. In an assignment, I usually give comments. So I would like to encourage you to go to your gradebook, look for the comment, and reply to my comment. And that way we can have a personal conversation about your work or ideas that we can share after we can understand each other's interests or focus. So be looking in the gradebook for comments from me on particular assignments. I'm going to want you to reply to my comment. Okay? I look forward to this course and I look forward to meeting you. And let's get started. Bye-bye.